pulled up. The semi.
Mother trucker.
All this was one day. It is March 4th. Today we're soil sampling. This is a soil probe. Come over. We want it completely straight up and down. And we push it in. And we're probing for the top 6 inches. I spin it to cut off any other dirt. That's called the soil core. We take about 10 cores, 8 or 10 cores, and we take these cores and we put them in a collection bucket like that. Then after we've got our samples, our cores, we like my door, it don't shut. We'll take everything in the bucket, we'll put it in one of these bags. We'll put surface because we're taking top 6 inches. Put our name and the location. Send it to Midwest Labs, and they will send us back a soil test result, which has all kinds of data about the base saturation, pH, the cation exchange capacity, and a bunch of other useful information that we use for deciding what kind of fertilizer we want, how much fertilizer we want, if we want lime, if we want gypsum, or anything that we add to the fields. But that's what we're doing today. Okay, there's the soil sample after we pulled the cores. Putting it in the bag, we got our name and the location, and we're gonna pour it in here just as carefully as we can. Okay. Now, it says fill to the red level, so we kind of pack it down. We need to make sure that we are to the red level, which we are. We've been adding a little extra because the soil is moist, and as it dries down, it will lose a little volume, and we want to make sure we have plenty for the test. So we did our soil test, we got our results back. I will do a video about the results more in depth later. What I did want to explain was, if you want to do this yourself, you can choose any company that does soil testing. We went through Midwest Labs, and we made an account with them. We ordered bags. The bags are free, but you have to pay shipping to get the bags to you. We got 40 bags. We collected 40 samples, and we sent the 40 samples back to Midwest Labs after we were done collecting them. And you can see, let's see, they received them March 24. They completed the analysis March 26th. And on March 26th, they sent us the results via email. And from there, we were able to, I printed these off and laminated them. Let's see. One thing I wanted to point out was these bottom two tests, 694 and 695, those two, we paid extra. We got a more expensive test. And so because of that, they include sodium, base saturation sodium, sulfur, zinc, manganese, iron, copper, boron, soluble salts, excess lime rate. All those were included with the more expensive test. The cheaper tests, they don't have any of the micros or the sodium, but they do have basically everything else. The organic matter, phosphorus, NPK, magnesium, copper, pH, CEC, and then your base saturation. All that's included with the cheaper test also. So choose which option's best for you. We used a few of both depending on the location, and that is all.
And
Tell them what you found.
I found a worm.
A worm. Where did you find the worm?
And no, I went to the
It's all